guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make crispy oven fried chicken tenders. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, set it to all, so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. It is time to go over our ingredients. Remember guys, I will always have all the exact measurements and ingredients down in the description. Let's start off with the star of the dish, our chicken tenders. Okay, we're going to have some Panko breadcrumbs. We also need some regular breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to be making my own and I'll show you that shortly. If you have some day-old bread, why not? You can buy some breadcrumbs, but I'm going to make some. We need some Parmesan cheese. Of course, we have to have our lemon and garlic. You're going to need onion powder and garlic powder. Now this onion powder is red onion powder. It is homemade. And if you want to know how to make your own homemade onion and garlic powder, leave me a comment below and I'll tell you about that recipe. Okay, here is paprika, an egg, parsley, salt, pepper, olive oil. And I think that's it, guys. Parmesan cheese I've already mentioned. So let's go ahead and get busy. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and prepare my extra breadcrumbs. Like I said, if you do not have a food processor, you can simply do it in the blender. This is day old. This was a French loaf, day old French loaf. I had it in the freezer. I took it out, chopped it up. Now I'm going to put it in here and process it, and that's it. Now we have our breadcrumbs. Okay, now we're going to prepare our marinade. We have our egg, lemon juice, parsley, garlic, and salt and pepper. You want to combine this all together and marinate your chicken for at least an hour, and overnight is absolutely perfect. Now it's time to make our breading for our chicken tenders, our crispy oven fried chicken tenders. Now the first thing you want to do is get some foil, put it on a baking sheet, and lightly spray it. I'm using an olive oil spray. You want to use a nice good spray because this is going to help with the crispiness. So spray your tray first. We're going to use that, so set it aside. I have here some Parmesan cheese. To it, I'm going to add my Panko breadcrumbs. These are seasoned Panko breadcrumbs. I'm adding those in. I'm also going to add in my breadcrumbs. I won't need all of these. Mix this together along with your onion powder. That was the garlic powder. This is the onion powder. And your paprika. Make sure everything is well combined as usual. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me today in the kitchen. I enjoy you guys so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment and share the video out. It's good for the algorithm and it helps me. Okay. We are back, and if I had not already mentioned it, please go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake these on one side for approximately 10 minutes. Then we're going to flip them over and bake them on the other side. Make sure it's well coated, so pat down your breading. You want this breading to stick on here nice and evenly coated. And you just want to arrange them on your baking sheet. If you have any excess from the egg mixture, make sure you just let that drip off. So while our chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our dipping sauce. We're going to be making a creamy honey mustard sauce, 5 ingredients only, quick, simple, and easy. We've got some organic local honey here. We've got some French's mustard, white wine vinegar, and Hellman's mayo, along with the 4th teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It's not going to make it really hot, but if you don't want the heat, I would say substitute this for some paprika. Okay, the recipe is really simple. Again, I will have this in the description as well. We're going to start off with about 1/4 cup of honey. And again, 1/4 cup. And for our vinegar, you want about a tablespoonful and a teaspoon of either your cayenne pepper or paprika. And all you want to do from here is stir it or whisk it. What I like to do to make sure it's really smooth and creamy, I'll blend it up. Okay, and if you don't have a blender, you can also use a hand mixer. That will work. Or you can do it by hand. It just will take a little longer. So to speed up the process, we're going to blend ours in the blender today. So you just want to pour it in and blend her up. Okay, so we are all out of the oven. Don't they look amazing, nice and crispy? So we're going to plate these up and do a taste test. We'll be right back. Don't they look amazing with our homemade dipping sauce? Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's see how this tastes. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video out. Oh my goodness. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Delicious. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.